Hello friends. So today I want to share one of my favorite tool for writing in course in C. It's DevDocs C documentation. It's an incredible tool which I use regularly for coding in C. So it's an easy to use, and let me show you the uh, website for this. This is the URL for the C documentation. As you can see, it's so what I loved about this, it is so website is so clean and the minimalist user interface. Everything is so clean, easy to use, and everything is just a few clicks away. So if you just want to search for the any function or a library, you can type into the search bar, which is on the top left. Let's say we want to search for the printf function. You can easily get that, and details about the printf function. And you want to search for the scanf, then you can get the scanf as well here. And if you want to go to the main page of this DevDocs, you can simply click on this main link. And as you can see that on the main page, you will see all the necessary header files which almost every developer needs, like the float, strings, stdio, match.h, time.h. So let's say if you we will check the details of the printf function. For that, we knew that it's in the stdio.h header file. We will check, yeah, here is stdio.h, and we will click on that, and we will as you can see, there are other functions as well, fclose, and we have used the get character, put character in past videos. So now we will check for the printf. Here it is, and if you click on the printf function, you will see that it's so well structured and everything is so clean. You have there are short descriptions. It had about like your argument types, return values. So the also I think there will be, yeah, here it is. The important thing is it had the examples, like how you can use it, like the printf function, all the different types here used. Okay, yeah. So they have also output this possible output of this above code. And let me show you one more thing. Okay, wait a second. Okay, however, I have noticed one issue while using this website. If you click on any function or the header file, you will observe that this scroll bar gets stuck in the middle of the screen. It should move to the top when page loads. Okay, let's say if I want to open this time.h header file and just focus on this scroll bar. See, it stays in the middle. It often stays in the middle. It should be moved to the top, because if someone wants to read the page from the beginning, then that person doesn't want to scroll to the top after opening any link. So to the team behind this DevDocs, I just I would like to humbly request that to fix this issue. It's a fantastic resource, and with this the minor little update or the change or the fix, we can say, the experience will be much more, a little, not much more, but a little bit more, even more better. Okay, so also one more thing, this DevDocs has one more cool feature, which is the offline version. Okay, the offline data. Let's say if you don't have any internet connection, then you can still have access to this resource, and it's we can also say that it's kind of a this DevDocs is kind of a pocket tool or pocket guide for everyone. And beyond that, this is not just a small thing. There are so many other thing, like this is a complete it has everything, like functions, libraries, and so anyone looking out for any like resources for the C, I would highly recommend this DevDocs, because like let's say if you want to debug, learn, or explore new features, then this DevDocs is worth bookmarking. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.